Hello YouTube, this is Mike, and today I'm going to be showing you how to Bitcoin mine the advanced way. So let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is open up your desired web browser, whether it be Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, doesn't really matter. Just open that up and go to this exact link right here. And don't worry, I'm not going to make you guys go searching through forums and stuff for this exact link. I'm just going to put all the links that I show you in the description below, so check there for anything that I show you. But you're going to want to go to this link right here, and it's called the Index of Apps CG Miner. You're going to want to go down to the file that says CG Miner 2.11.4 Windows zip, and this is strictly just a Windows how-to, so if you're running on OS X or Linux, then you're out of luck. But this is how you do it for Windows users. You want to click on that. It's going to prompt you to download this file, and don't worry, it's a completely safe file. I've already checked it and actually ran CG Miner on my computer. You're going to want to press on save. What you want to do now is do not press open. You want to press open folder, and it will bring you to the folder of where you downloaded it. Now what you want to do, as it comes in a packed zip archive file, you want to unpack this. So you right click, you can press extract here or extract files to wherever you're going to keep this. But I'm going to extract mine right here. And this should be very quick. As you can see, it took literally, I think, 2 seconds. You want to go into this folder and just go searching through all the documents right here. And unlike GUI Miner, the one that I showed you yesterday, you're going to want to press on cgminer.exe. But as I'm going to tell you, you can't just input your stuff right here. Like, you can type into this command line, but nothing will happen once you input all your data. This is where you're going to have to make a .bat file. But before you make a .bat file, I'm going to show you what you have to do beforehand. Now, what you want to do is go to Control Panel. Let's type that in real quick. And then you're going to want to go to Appearance and Personalization. Go down to Folder Options and show Hidden Files and Folders. Or actually just press on Folder Options, the general thing. Go to View, scroll down to Advanced Settings, scroll down again until you hit Hide Extensions for Known File Types. This will enable you to turn a .text file into a .bat file. So what you want to do is uncheck that box because most likely it's going to be checked. But anyways, you want to press Apply, then press OK. Then go back to that folder of where you put CG Miner. You want to create a .bat file by creating a .text file. Now, I already have CG Miner on my computer, so I'm going to show you a pre-made thing. Let's go to, hold on. No, I'm not there. Okay, computer software, here we go. As you can see, I have a .bat file, but the first thing you want to do is create a new text document. You can do that by simply right-clicking and going down to New and Text Document right there. You're going to want to go into that and plug in all your server details. And to get the exact thing of what it looks like, you can go back to this link right here, press on README. And whatever you're running, whether it be a single pool, a multiple pool, anything adding overclock settings and GPU, it will give you all the codes right here. What you want to do is type in everything exactly what you see right there. So I suggest just copying, pasting it. And the first one works, but then I'm going to show you ultimately what it looks like in the end. So what you want to do is plug in everything right there. Press File, Save As, and you want to name this startmining.bat, so change this to all files. And as you can see, I already have one made, so I'm not going to save one right now, but I'm just showing you that you guys have to type in startmining.bat and make sure it's typed in exactly like that. So just something like this, just to give you guys something what it looks like of when you're typing in. So startmining dot, and you're going to have to put the extension yourself, .bat. Now, as you can see, I'm not going to overwrite the one that I already have because I've already filled in all my information, but that's pretty much how you do it. Then you can cancel out of this, cancel out of that, and then your .bat file will be right here alongside your new text document. You should be able to open that right up with Edit with Notepad++, and I will be leaving a link in the description below for this software. Let me just show you guys what it looks like real quick so that you won't get lost. So Notepad, here we go, ++. Notepad++ home. This is exactly what the web page is going to look like. Go to download, and this is what you're going to need to edit that .bat file to make sure everything is correct. And then just press download right here. So it's very simple of what you're going to do, or not. Do not press this huge download button. You want to go down to exactly Notepad++ installer, and you're going to want to download that onto your computer. And of course, it's a totally harmless file, so it will not harm your computer. Now, going back to the startmining.bat, once you have Notepad++, you'll see this edit with Notepad. You want to click on that. And then take note of exactly what I've got in here. You want to press in start/D and then put in the specific where your CG Miner folder is located. You want to put in the specific address of where it is located so that it knows, the .bat file knows where to start up the application. Then type in your pool followed by a -O. Put in the pool right there, and all the information should be on your mining pool website. Go to -U, this stands for username. Type in your username. -P, as you can guess, password. -I will be the intensity. This -D0, this is going to be the exact location of your GPU. Well, it will like notify CG Miner of where your GPU is and notify that you actually have one. And if you have multiple GPUs, you can type in just -D0 and then -D1, -D2, so that it knows that you have multiple GPUs. And then this right here is for setting the temperature for the GPU and overclocking as well. I find that 55 and 300 are quite good things, and I get the best performance out of those both. Let me just expand this screen in full screen so that you can pause the video right here and look at exactly what I have. Well, of course, you're going to change this to your exact location and then all the other stuff you put into place, and you can guess what to do from there on in. So after all that is done, you can press on close. Then the start mining.bat, of course, after you're done editing with Notepad++, you press File Save so that everything is saved correctly. You can exit out of that and finally double click on startmining.bat, and it should start up right away. And this is the latest version of CG Miner, so I'm not giving you like an outdated version. This is the most up-to-date one as of today's video on April 10th, 2013, 9:16 p.m. So let's just give this a moment to start right here. Now, as you can see, it turns totally black, but then it will go right here. You'll see your hash rate start going up and up. You'll see the intensity level right there, your username, and all the other stuff. Now, I know mine's not the fastest, so you're not going to see any shares, but all your shares will be marked down right here, and it will just keep going for as long as you have the program running. So this has been Mike, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.